think about what we have to do to reclaim this country and give it back to the people.
Yes.
As acting president, I feel that it's my responsibility to organize all of us and decide among all of us should agree on things on what direction we have to take until the 2028 elections. So, what is the concern? It is the country and its people. So I believe, kayo lahat na nandito ngayon, and for those who follow and believed in my father, kaya nandito pa rin kayo because you still believe that we can make a better country and a better tomorrow